guys, JD here for yet another JD's Hookup. I know this place looks familiar. It's White Noise in PJ. We came here for Mas's little audition that she did for her voiceover tryouts. But today we don't have Mas, we have Noor.
Hi.
And Noor is quite the singer. She's got quite an amazing voice. We actually auditioned her on the phone. And when I heard you singing Allure, very nice stuff, and I actually played it for Eugene, who you're going to be meeting soon.
Okay.
He thinks you sound great. But the thing is, did you bring your minus ones and everything?
Yes, yes.
Okay, she's all set. Let's see whether Noor has a career in singing or not. Let's check this out, man. Eugene, as usual. He's never very happy to see me because I was getting him to do extra work. What's up, man?
Hi.
Hi.
Eugene.
Alright, Nora's getting ready for her audition, and you've picked what song again?
It's Animal Instinct by the Cranberries.
Animal Instinct, Cranberries, and Eugene is setting up the height of the mic for her, and we're gonna do this, and then this is just to get her voice going.
I brought all.
Well, someone's all prepared, man.
Do you know you make me cry? No. Do you know you make me die? And the thing that gets to me is you'll never really see. And the thing that freaks me out is I'll always be in doubt.
First warm-up done, and she seems okay. No, come in, Eugene, come in.
No, it's okay. She can sing. We can record already.
Okay, cool. We're good to go. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna leave you alone here, okay? Let's get out of here.
It's just a lovely thing that we have. It's just a lovely thing that it's just a lovely thing. The animal instinct. Woohoo, woohoo, woohoo. They asked me to sing Menuju Puncak by Academy Fantasia theme song, which it's something unexpected, and I'm so nervous now, and I will try my very best to do that. Menuju puncak, gemilang cahaya mengukir cita, seindah rasa menuju puncak, impian di hati bersama janji, azam sejati, pasti berjaya di Academy Fantasia. Di hati bersama janji, azam sejati, pasti berjaya di Academy Fantasia.
Girl's got a voice, man. Girl's got a voice.
Balance roughly, and you bring down after that the side effects of
Oh my god! Sophia hands. She's freezing cold.
I'm shivering.
Honestly, you did this really well.
Just balance.
How was it? Great. I think it was great.
It was a great experience.
Right?
This is my first time, and I'm
In a recording studio, right?
Yes, of course, and I'm so happy.
Honestly, as you went on, you knew the words already. I think it's even better. Alright, so it's been a great experience for Noor, and right now, Eugene has a number. Why? Eugene, tell us why.
I'm using her for my next jingle.
Which means, yes, successful hookup. You got a hookup, congratulations.
Thank you, JD. Thank you, Mixer Fam.
Okay, finally you get to use your voice for something more than just speaking and yelling at customers and everything. No, you're not yelling at customers. Advising customers, and so it's a completely different life. That's one life.
Okay.
This is another life, but hey, man.
Something new.
Exactly.
Yes.
Keep on singing, and now I want to sing the song. Menuju Puncak. Remember, if you want to hook up as well, log on to www.mix.fm. We will make your dreams come true. Good stuff? Give me 5.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
man.
Will you texting?
The boss man?
Just tell him we'll be there in a minute.
What? Excuse me. With the way you drive?
Excuse you, I'm an accurate driver, okay?
Who uses the word accurate when describing a style of driving? You're more like Mr. Tortoise Driver.
In that story, the tortoise beat the hare in the race, okay? So ha!
Way to go, Mr. Accurate.
Shut up.
All new Mixed Breakfast Show with JD and Dilly.